Hi Sourcengine user. In this video, we're going to demonstrate one of the most unique features of Sourcengine, the real-time excess estimator. The functionality of this feature begins the same way the BOM upload feature does. In addition to having a clean spreadsheet with the details of your excess, you'll want to make sure that this file contains a date code column. The date code of your excess is a significant component and must be included to get an estimate. This can be a rough guess of your date code, as the entire process is an estimation and not an exact value of your excess stock. To get started, from the home screen, click on Upload an Excess List. Select or drag and drop your excess file. Once the upload process is complete, you'll see a total estimated value for your excess as well as details per line item. If you're interested in moving forward, click Begin Sale Process to proceed, with no obligation. You'll receive a reference number on the next page, and an account manager will contact you within 24 hours to continue the process. Please note that an estimation does not mean we'll pay you the estimated price. It's just an estimation of how much your excess could be worth according to live market information. We can certainly help you to liquidate this excess and help you to get close to our estimation or achieve even more by taking the next steps. This process will entail signing a contract that is highly negotiable and involves having your product shipped to our warehouse. This is applicable only if the excess product and a sourceability distribution hub are located in the same country or region, like the European Union. After your excess arrives in our warehouse, we will QC them and advertise the parts that pass QC on Sourcengine as certified excess. The parts that don't pass will be dealt with according to our contract. The idea is that these certified excess products are already QC'd. Sell over a period of 12 months or less, and you receive your money according to what was originally estimated. After this period of 12 months, you can decide to extend or terminate the contract. If upon termination there is unsold product, they will be returned to you. It is important to note that throughout this process, you will have transparent and live access to all the information pertaining to your excess via a designated excess dashboard in our e-procurement tools. In the near future, we will also expand the excess liquidation function to scenarios where sourceability and the liquidating partner are not in the same country. Please stay tuned for this.